Best car interior detailers remove dust, stains, and odors, restoring cleanliness, freshness, comfort, and enhancing overall driving experience instantly. My today's video is about top 5 best car interior detailers for a fresh look that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The SPI 22016 all-in-one car interior cleaner is a highly versatile solution trusted by car enthusiasts and professional detailers for maintaining a spotless, refreshed cabin. It effectively cleans and protects a wide range of materials including leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass, delivering a streak-free, natural finish. Whether it's dashboards, door panels, seats, trims, or infotainment screens, this cleaner gently lifts dust, dirt, and body oils without causing fading or surface damage. One of its standout strengths is the dual-action formula that not only removes grime, but also leaves a protective layer to resist dust buildup, fingerprints, and everyday wear. The easy spray and wipe application makes it ideal for quick touch-ups or complete interior detailing, requiring no rinsing or extra buffing. It restores a factory-fresh OEM look with a clean, non-greasy sheen that keeps interiors looking new and inviting. Beyond vehicles, it's also effective for home and office surfaces, making it a truly multi-purpose cleaning essential. Now our second product is Car Guy's Plastic Restorer. The Car Guy's Plastic Restorer stands out as a premium solution for reviving faded interior and exterior trim with long-lasting results. Unlike many products that lose their shine within days, this formula is engineered to renew, seal, and protect surfaces for several months, delivering consistent performance that users can rely on. One of its strongest advantages is its excellent water resistance. Even after heavy rain, it maintains a clean, streak-free finish without unsightly runoff marks, helping your vehicle stay polished for longer. It also solves a common issue found in many restorers: oily, greasy residue. Instead, it dries completely to the touch, leaving a natural, non-greasy finish that won't stain towels or attract dust. Designed with advanced formulation and quality control in the USA, it reflects strong attention to durability and performance. Backed by responsive customer support, Car Guys ensures user satisfaction. Overall, it's a reliable, clean, and long-lasting restoration product for serious car care enthusiasts. Our third product is Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner. Meguiar's Quick Car Interior Detailer Cleaner is a highly reliable all-in-one solution designed for effortless interior maintenance. Its versatile formula works effectively across multiple surfaces including plastic, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even delicate LCD or navigation screens, making it a true multi-surface cleaner for modern vehicles. The high lubricity formula ensures smooth and safe cleaning by lifting dust, dirt, grime, and light spills without scratching or dulling surfaces. It helps restore the original factory look of the interior, leaving everything fresh, clean, and well-maintained with minimal effort. A key advantage is its built-in UV protection. While cleaning, it also helps shield surfaces from harmful sun exposure, reducing the risk of fading, cracking, and drying over time. This makes it not just a cleaner, but also a protective care solution for long-term interior preservation. Easy to use, it requires only a spray and wipe with a microfiber cloth, making it perfect for quick detailing or regular upkeep. Now number 4, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Inside Job. This all-in-one car interior cleaner delivers a powerful yet gentle cleaning experience designed for modern vehicle care. Formulated with natural enzymes, it effectively breaks down tough stains, dirt, and grime on leather seats, vinyl, plastic, and rubber surfaces without leaving any greasy residue behind. The result is a clean, natural finish that feels refreshed rather than coated. Its pH-balanced blend of aloe vera and conditioning oils ensures safe use on delicate interiors while restoring a smooth, streak-free shine. Unlike harsh cleaners, it nourishes surfaces while cleaning, helping maintain a well-kept, premium look. A standout feature is its deodorizing capability, which eliminates odors at the source instead of masking them, leaving the cabin with a fresh and inviting scent. Additionally, advanced ceramic and graphene polymers provide long-term protection against UV damage, fading, cracking, dust, and static buildup. Easy to apply with a simple spray and wipe method, it offers both convenience and professional-grade detailing results for everyday car care. And our last choice is Nanoman Protect Car Seats from spills. This fabric and interior protection spray is designed to stop everyday spills from turning into permanent stains by creating a strong water-repelling barrier on contact. Liquids like water, coffee, and food no longer soak into the material. Instead, they bead on the surface, giving you valuable time to wipe them away before damage occurs. It is specially formulated for car interiors, working effectively on fabric seats, carpets, floor mats, door panels, and upholstery. This makes it ideal for daily drivers and family vehicles where heavy use and accidental spills are common. One of its key advantages is its invisible finish. Once dried, it does not alter the look or texture of the surface. No dark patches, stiffness, or sticky residue, making it safe for delicate materials like suede, nubuck, and Alcantara-style fabrics. With a simple spray and dry application, it offers easy DIY protection at home. Advanced nanotechnology ensures long-lasting bonding, reducing the need for frequent reapplication while keeping interiors cleaner for longer. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.